Okay guys, you're going to take a quiz today, so I'm going to set you up with a do first. I want you to notice that this is in slope-intercept form, and so in order to graph this, we're going to find our slope, right, which is your rise over your run, and it's always in front of our x, so we can see our slope is right here. So our slope is -4, and we can put that over 1, that's your rise over run, and then my y-intercept is at 0, -8. So to graph this, I'm going to go on the y-axis to 0, -8, right? I know I have to be on the y-axis. And then my rise over run. This is a negative line, so I know that my rise is 4, my run is 1. You can also draw it like this, 4 and 1. So I can't go down in this way. I can't do this, so I'm going to go the upward way. Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, to the left 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left 1. Okay, right, and now we can check it. We have a negative slope. Our y-intercept's at -8. All right, you can go ahead and do this one on your own. You'll be able to check it in your folder. You can pause the video, and then I'm going to show you something else. Okay, the other thing we have to be able to do is to take an equation like this and put it in this form, which means get y alone. So, just like yesterday, we draw our river. This is a positive 4x, so I'm going to get rid of it by doing a negative 4x. Okay, I get 3y equals -4x minus 12. Put them side by side, and then I'm going to divide everything by 3. I'm going to divide by what I see. Get y equals -4/3 x minus 4. My slope is the number in front of x. My slope is -4/3, and my y-intercept is right here, 0, -4. Go ahead and do the other two, and you can check them in your answer key. Once you've done that, play the video, and it's going to walk you through the quiz. Okay. All right, guys, on number 1, it says, what is the equation of the line in standard form of the line that passes through the point 0, 24.6? So this is your y-intercept, and it has a slope of -3/5. What you're going to have to do is you are going to have to find which equation has a slope of -3/5 and a y-intercept of 24.6. You're looking for this. That means you have to take each equation and get y alone. Whenever you find the one that has this as the answer, you're going to circle it. It's exactly what we did on the front right here. Pause the video and work on that one. Okay, on this one, it says, which table shows the solution points? Here, you can go right to your y equals. It's been a long time. And you can put this in your calculator. So you're going to write 4 minus 5 divided by 8x. So you would put it in. Oh, let me go back. X. And then you can go second table. I want you to find which one of these has the same solutions. So pause the video and do that. Next. All right, they want to know the slope of the line that has these 2 points. Well, the best thing to do is to graph them first. Graph -4, 1. Find -4 on the x-axis. Find 1. Come together and graph your point. Do the same there. And then you need to find the rise over the run. The rise goes on top. Pause the video and do that. Okay, over here, we have to find the y-intercept. Once again, you're going to have to get y alone, just like this. The y-intercept, right, whenever we have an equation, the y-intercept is the number by itself that is not in front of x. So go ahead and work on that one. Next, over here, we've got our equation in slope-intercept form. So you need to identify the slope and the y-intercept, draw a sketch, remember of Mr. Slope Man, what a negative graph looks like, and find which one of these matches this equation. Okay, the last thing is, this is the exact same thing. Remember that the slope is the number in front of x when y is alone. The other number is your y-intercept, okay? So you're gonna check the y-intercepts and you're gonna find the rise over the run. Which one has the same thing? All right, good luck on your quiz.